Ito sa kanto na nga kinuha eh. Oh. Eliza there.
He's working for both teams.
In the meantime, there is that block. It lands.
And this is where papasok yung determination dito ng...
Yes, of creating those campfires. Ayun, oh.
Lucky, oh, look at that attack. Eliza Valdez and decides to drop it just at the back.
Yan yung...
tama ka dyan. Go to Valdez.
And si Gisela, I really thought kasi mas malapit si...
That's really just finding that hole behind the blockers. You can see, she realized...
Hindi masunurin yung bata, ano ah. Hit! 18 is the final count of the second set. The Kinetics, a 2-0 lead. Shaky shake and play. Back with the third in a moment.
Talon si Eliza na pumipigil sa kanya sa area, no? Nag-straddle. Tapos,
Ultra Fast Spike, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. You know, Eliza, check out this Ultra Fast Spike, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Part 4 of the course.
Care of Eliza Valdez, and this ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The ultra fast attack from Eliza Valdez, and this ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra.
Yeah, and credit Giselle Tan.
For that, this ultra fast.
Oh, take us through this Ultra Fast Spike. You know, hindi alam, ano? Spike Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. PLDT Home Ultra.
bench.
Ultra Fast Spike, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Pagka pwedeng setter o libero.
Pwede.
Good game with Noreen.
Eliza Valdez with 3 points here in the first set. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. 5:19. Giselle Tan has connected with Eliza Valdez time and again. And so far, it has been an Ateneo show dito sa first set. The finals, and when you're here, you have to relish it. You have to embrace it. This Ultra Fast all power. Makikita mo para kay Eliza. Mula sa likuran.
Well, what else is new when Eliza Valdez and works her
The presence of Valdez.
Point.
Kanina pa siya nakakapuntos doon. Look at this.
As she grew older. Watch this. You know, as you check out the Ultra Fast Spike, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
Look at that. From the back, she saw that.
And let's take a look at the play before we had the timeout. Hello.
Good adjustment made by Valdez. Full approach, full swing, last minute drops it.
At yung depensa ng Philippine Army, no, that last rally,
Bata pa yan, alam ko na laro niyan.
and this ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. Yeah, that's right. Pwede pa namang mangat eh.
This once again, there you go. No one there for the second ball. Philippine Army, they should really take care of their coverage partner.
And this is our shake and play. That was a block touch from Remy Palma, and no coverage once again para dito sa Philippine Army. And that seals it for... So what must now, the Lady Troopers do? And para tingin mo makarecover sila and able to get us a win from the set?
Well, I think it's really focused on the game partner because mula nung umpisa pa lang, mula nung first set, I think ang nagiging problema is the coverage. Because they were, ang daming times they were able to put up the first ball. Pero walang nagpa-follow up dun sa second ball. Obviously, kasi dahil malalakas pumalo ang, hindi niya alam, nag-pray lang pala si Eliza. Sana kunin mo, Liz.
I think